Hi, I'm Michele. Today I'd like to show you how I create consistent characters using PicLumen. Consistent characters that you can use for e-learning modules, videos, or digital comics like my own ID Woman. Let's get started. Consistency is key, and I'm a creature of habit. I always start on the left-hand side by opening the Gallery tab. In the Gallery, I pick my favorite image, then I copy the full prompt in the settings. Next, I go to the Create tab, where I paste the prompt in settings. Here I tweak details like the pose, outfit, or location. This helps me build a collection of images that look consistent. Once I'm happy with my prompt, I click Prompt Helper in the top bar. This opens Prompt Magic, where I choose the style. For ID Woman, I love the GTA style. It has the perfect comic book vibe. After that, I click Load Parameters to apply the style settings. Then I go back to Prompt Helper to set my image reference. It's important to upload a clear photo of your character's face. I usually set the reference strength around 0.05 to 0.06. This keeps the facial features consistent and still allows for variety in clothing and backgrounds. But if I want my character to have a specific ethnicity or look like ID Woman, I'll keep the reference strength a bit higher. I recommend experimenting to see what works for you. I use a 1-to-1 ratio and generate 2 images per prompt. This is using the free version of PicLumen. Finally, once I'm satisfied, I press the purple button to generate the images. And that's how I create consistent characters using PicLumen. I simply repeat these steps to create more images. Once I find an image that I like, I download it as a PNG. This makes it easy for me to upload into Canva or Storyline for my comics, animated videos, or e-learning modules. Thank you for watching. And if you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, or follow me for more tutorials.